What's up, everyone? This is Gabby Trades. Welcome back to the channel. Well, I'm already involved here a little bit before market open, obviously, because I had time today. Hold on, we have a kitty here. Hello, everyone. How are you guys doing? So let's discuss here real quick. What am I doing at the moment? It's actually very simple. So this is S&P 500, our levels. We had an alarm on them. So I just thought I'm going to quickly scalp this. I'm risk-free in this right now, which is just honestly a scalp. I'm not planning to hold this long because the range is still bearish. The other thing I have is this gold trade that I entered and re-entered like probably 5 times by now, but it doesn't look that strong. So I don't know if I'm going to hold that. I don't know if it's worth the risk at this point. I'll probably get out at break even. How are you guys doing? So today we're gonna trade. I'm good, thank you very much. I'm still tired, honestly. Like you know, I've had people over, I had family over, and then we're doing so many things and I wasn't able. Yeah, here it is, break even. Damn it, should I re-enter? Not yet. I guess we'll wait a little bit more. But the point is, could you look at oil? Yeah, we can look at oil. We can look at oil, just waiting for this. Okay, so this is invalid, but still we're in 0.236. Like, I know we have liquidity. I know what Dottie's waiting for. He showed me earlier. He's waiting for the lower side of the range to be taken, which makes absolute sense. By the way, you guys, make sure to like this video because definitely I'm going to forget to ask you like as soon as we start here the session. But the idea is that we have liquidity down here at the lower side of the range. This range was developed during... blah, 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 blah. Yeah, so mostly yesterday and today from the sessions, but that's definitely a buy zone down here. So we're watching that for now. I might just jump in a little bit, but I'm gonna wait for it a little bit more. Let's see quickly what's happening to S&P. Okay, cool. I need to close that because I forgot. Cha-ching. Thank you, guys. Yeah, so this trade is done. As you can see, yeah, I was waiting for this high because obviously this is a bearish leg. So I wasn't sure if we're going to break out just yet. Pre-market is better to just be like in and out pretty quick. Let's see what's happening with gold. Yeah, the thing with gold is, yeah, we do have that lowest liquidity, but the high is also liquidity on the 10-minute time frame. Obviously 15-minute holds more weight. We're coming from 0.5. You know, we might lose the level. Like it's pretty, you know, possible at this point. But this is what I want to be looking out for at the moment. Everyone that's new here, please come say hi in the chat box. I love seeing you guys. Make sure to like this video. Make sure to check all the links in the description box that we have for you. By the way, I know we had some issues with like the Bitunix rewards, you guys, but I sorted everything with the guys. Everyone is getting paid like this week. You're gonna be distributed all of the awards for all of the spaces depending on volume. So we have rewards. I forgot what was the thing, but I think the biggest one was like almost $200 or something like that. But I think the very minimum you're gonna get was like $80. And some people that have traded like, you know, ridiculous cents are getting $80. And I also noticed some of the people that deposited traded like 50 cents and then took their deposits out, and I was like, it's not fair, but I'm still gonna pay you out, guys, because you're my people. So it's all gonna be good. You look more energetic than yesterday. I wish I felt that, mate. I definitely don't feel like that. Like I was literally about to fall asleep, but we gotta be here and see what's happening. Let's see S&P 500. Yeah, it's gonna pull back now. See, like this on the 1 minute is very good, but like higher time frame is just not of a big it doesn't hold big weight right now. Let's look at silver. I'm not trading silver because these are 1 minute entries, and the spread is pretty high on silver. Yeah, look at this range. Pretty terrible, huh? Pretty nasty. Bitcoin is definitely breaking down. It doesn't look good at all. Hold on, my brother's texting me. He's like, I've got a salad bar at work. I'm like, I have no salad bars at my work because I'm working at home. Beach days are draining. Oh yes, I did go to the beach. I forgot about that. That must be it. I'm probably drained because of that. Let's look at crypto real quick. 535. Actually, we had some data. This is mid-tier data that we're getting today. What is it, Tuesday? Oh, it's at 10 a.m. So we still have times. So we have consumer confidence, Richmond Manufacturing Index, President Trump speaking. Oh no. Lots of tension in Iran. Gold could explode, actually. It's going to be quite interesting to see. Yeah, Bitcoin, no. This is why I updated the Discord this morning. If you're not on Discord, you guys, make sure to join. It's a lovely community. We're not spamming you with anything, only the important stuff. So yeah, maybe a potential rebound here around 62.273. We'll see how that goes. For now, I'm not interested in it. Honestly, it's the fact that it broke down like that from this range. To me, now this low over here is at huge risk, right? The low is at huge risk. We do have a potential support for a bounce at around 58.5. But I don't think that's going to be a move for today. Ethereum is way weaker than Bitcoin in general. But we'll see. Let's see, because this is honestly like, let's look at a more clear chart. You know, these are very important levels that we're trading at right now. You know, this is major inflection point from before. Top of the morning. Hi, everyone. Yeah, like I said, major inflection point, and we're losing it like quite substantially. Like you see the demand right now, there is no demand. We're losing it. Like the demand was in this wick and it's just disappearing. Okay, it's being eaten. So yeah, sellers are mainly in control right now at a major inflection point. It doesn't look good. It doesn't look good, right? It doesn't look good. So we have some zones here that we're interested in, and that's what we're gonna be looking out for. I had one comment I think I saw on the YouTube. Oh, what happened with your predictions? Like Bitcoin's been selling, blah blah blah. I'm like, what do you mean? What happened with my prediction? Like, what do you mean? Look at our zones. True-month open. It's just the sell. That's what it is. The problem with these levels for me personally is that I don't stream on weekends. I don't trade on weekends, and the trades happen over the weekend. Not my problem, dude. You have the levels on the chart every day, and I encourage everyone to screenshot these levels, right? And if you want to learn about these levels, what they are, how I use them, make sure to get on the mentorship. And let me know if you guys want like a cheaper version of the mentorship, like a monthly sort of like, you know, cheaper version. That would be great. If you let me know if you would like that. And this is gonna be a bit of a waiting game here, I feel. For I mean, this is a major level down here. Like, I won't be surprised. On the 5 minute, 15 minute. If we get some sort of bounce from it. But this low is very weak. We're coming from the 0.5. Huge risk. I need to think about this a little bit more strategically. I'm long on silver. So yeah, we're not here to give usually financial advice on anything, but what's your long? 85, 85.6. That's actually, you know, a very good positioning. But I, you know, what I don't understand is like, what's your long-term plan for your trade? Were you trying to position yourself at the lower side of this, you know, ascending range for a longer term position, or was that a trade that you took like on a lower time frame? Because that's the one thing I spoke with everyone also on not everyone. I spoke with the guys on Discord. I think we had one member on Discord that had an amazing trade yesterday. Hold on, let me focus a little bit here. Yeah, I think this is it. Let me just spam 2 positions here. All right, so I'm long gold approximately 5141. So let me look at the time exactly. So we're now at 8:40. Yeah, that's not too bad. We'll see if 0.78236 holds here. So far, position is in profits, getting volatile. It's a bit different with what we've seen earlier. But this was very bearish. We're at the Asia range. Maybe I'll close just one position here just in case. Need to manage the positions, guys, while I'm live. It is what it is. Missy's gonna entertain you in the meanwhile. Okay, this is not bad. Not bad pump, I like that. Yes, everyone, hit the like button. So what was the question? What was I talking about? I forgot. Oh yeah, we had one of our members that had a really great buy yesterday, I think at just around here, New York. So he caught that buy and then he retraced the whole move because he held overnight. Hello M731, and I told him that's a major mistake because this was an entry on like a 5-minute time frame, 1-minute time frame. I think he was using the new indicators that we're developing. But the point is, when you enter on a lower time frame, you have to exit in time. Like, you can't be holding the position even for New York afternoon session. Let's see. This is developing great. Let's see if we manage to push to 5150. I'm gonna close a bit more here just in case. I'm just holding for now. That's fine. Okay, good. I'm more comfortable with that risk. Talk through the problem. Yeah, so that's it. You need to make sure that you don't hold positions lower time frame scalps overnight, because it just doesn't make sense. Like, if it's not a higher time frame analysis, there is no point to hold that position. S&P also pumping, but that's fine. I'm happy with that. That was good. I don't want more from this, to be fair. I would just like for this to move a little bit higher. At least 5150. Please give me 5150 and I'm out. I'll just leave like a little bit on. Missy. She's like trying to open the trades back by herself. It's so funny. Oh my god. Close position. Close another micro lot. All right, fine. I'm cool with that. So yeah. We're gonna be waiting for this data a little bit later. I don't know if we're gonna be live for it. 10 o'clock, probably we will, because that's where the action happens, right? But I think probably in 15 minutes, maybe we'll get a better positioning. Let's see. Did I go risk-free on that? I don't think so. 5141, modify position. 5141, modify. All right, risk-free on this right now. On the 1 minute. Yes, baby. Oil. Let's look at oil. So oil currently is extremely volatile. We know that this is very sensitive to... Oh, we're out of the gold. To the geopolitics right now. Oh, no, we're looking at uranium. Hold on. Missy, stop it. This looks like it's gonna sell off right now, to be fair. It was at a very good level for a short, I feel, to target this low down here, or at least 66.5. Yes, everyone, make sure to hit the like button. So oil long term. Oil long term. Missy! Jesus Christ. Stop! Sorry, you guys. Oh my god, hold on. Thank you. Yeah, so oil generally has a lot of potential for upside, to be honest, which is actually terrifying to look at. When I look at gold, we see we have double liquidity, so this could actually go to levels that we haven't seen since September 2023. Really, for me, I was hoping for oil to drop a little bit lower, to lower levels, but it's not happening at the moment, and it continues to break. So as you can see, first level over here was 63.6, so we just broke it kind of in January, and now we're retesting it. So I guess it's a buy. I don't want to trade it because it's very volatile, and it's sensitive to all of the things that are happening right now. Got in at 62. I think it's good. I think it's good if you manage to get in at 62 with the confirmation here with the break. It looks quite positive. I'll just watch what happens at around 67, 67.7, might retrace back to 63.6, but with 62 entry, you might be okay, to be fair. It looks quite good to hold for now. But yeah, it's just, I try to stay away from things like that. I know they're very attractive to trade at the moment, but yeah, it's just not something that I like to do because it's very sensitive. Like, there are people that just absolutely love trading that, but oil, it was a little bit easier to trade like back in the days, and now it's just extensively difficult for me. But on a daily time frame, you have a nice confirmation here for a buy, which I like, at around 56. So it might work out quite nicely, to be fair. The lows are strong altogether. You have a nice healthy bullish sort of trend. But yeah, weekly time frame resistance is kind of important because you have a lot of supply in this area left from, you know, July 2025. So I think it's an area to be careful with. Up here, potentially, you know, also take profit area or some partial taking profit area. Okay, now let's go back to gold. All right, cool. So it seems like we're gonna smash the liquidity here. Timing is also important. We have 9 more minutes to the next 15-minute candle. That I think is just above liquidity. But gold scams a little bit like that sometimes. So let's watch it. Let's watch it. Let's watch it. Still can't break that high on the 15-second. Are we ready? Just closed. Close what, Dottie? What is the thing you're waiting for? Oh, silver short. Okay, good, good, good. Very weak low here on silver. Come on, Chad. One hourly, we should have some support down here. Let's see if they're gonna bring it back in the range. What looks like a head and shoulder. Steinweiches. Oh, nice. Send. Oh, you mean this? Yeah, it does look a little bit. Let's see if they're gonna protect the neckline, because that's gonna be important, I guess. Head and shoulders pattern. It's a little bit too early though. It's a little bit too early. They have a lot of downside if they don't protect these levels down here, so that's what's worrying me. Protect the neck, I've never heard of that one. Yeah, so if basically if you don't protect the neckline, you know, you could have more downside. That's pretty much it. Oh, Bitcoin's looking interesting right now. Let's have a look on the 4-hourly. Did we reach the level? Not yet. I don't want to long it here, to be fair. But I like the stab down here. It looks good. This looks very good, actually. Not a bad formation at all. See you, Dodgy. Enjoy work. This is work for me. Dude, what is happening? I saw a post on Twitter that they're going to, thank you, they're going to expose some crypto, very profitable, apparently very profitable crypto trading firm. Not sure what that means, but like on the 26th of Feb, which is literally in 2 days. I like the reaction so far. This is good that we're protecting this area here on the 15-second. Also 1 minute. We just need to break above. Come on, come on. Do not react to supply. Stop it. Aw, Dodgy's going to work. I bet Dodgy's like really fun to work with. They're going to choke us for a little bit, a few more minutes, I feel. Yeah, Bitcoin lower time frame's not bad, actually. If they manage to protect the 62.8, you know we all work at McDonald's. I didn't miss much. We had I had a S&P scalp, gold scalp that I took a little bit on, and the rest was protected. And now we're just trying to find another position here on gold, but it's a little bit difficult at the moment. Finger on the trigger. I'm ready to go. Yes, everyone, make sure to like the video. Make sure to say hi in the chat box. If you're new here, welcome. We're just staying locked in a little bit. We want to see what happens at 9 o'clock. Let's look at the bigger picture a little bit. Yeah, I think if anything, let's hope we don't see any body closes here. With this hourly candle, I just want to see it wicked. Like, I don't want to see any body closes. Like, wick is gonna be fine, but not more than that. Ethereum, I'm not even interested at. Honestly, Bitcoin looks very bad. Like, all the crypto, everything looks terrible. I'm just looking to scalp some gold and silver, some, you know, major indexes if I see something, and that's it. I can't really hope for anything more than that. Yeah, there's 30 minutes left. Okay, here we go, here we go, here we go. 8:55. 1 minute, we're opening the next hourly candle. Close it with a wick. They're not going to. Here it is, 9 o'clock. Not great. Not great. Four-hour, I guess, still has a chance. Let's have a look at the signals. Yeah, we just had a sweep with this candle, so this is actually annoying because if we start to go down, like, we can retrace quite a bit. So it's a problem. It is definitely a problem. Oof. All right, let's quickly look at the sessions and how they're developing. All right, so expand in Asia, consolidate in London, expand in New York. They can literally run that back right now. They can totally do that. It would make sense to me. The whole world, it will make a lot of sense to me. Okay, that's good. Hello. Gold gonna dump to 5k. 5k. Sorry, let me just adjust here a little bit. It's possible, honestly. If we start like disrespecting everything here, the way I see it is a potential retrace back to 5k or 4981. These are the areas that I look for, like a swing position type of thing if we start to fail. If we don't, then I'm looking for more upside if we see that. So hopefully we're just retracing to fill some of that, all of these bullish candles here, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. So hopefully this is just a retrace to fill a little bit of that, and then we continue up, and then I'm going to be looking for sells in this region, but that's more like a swing position. So around 5,350, 5,400, this is the area with the supply that's been left before, so that's more for a swing position if I see that. So let's have a look. 9 o'clock. They could totally reverse that. I can totally see that happening. For a little bit of a retrace, at least retest like the London range. But we just need we need a little bit more proof right now. This is not enough at the moment, from what I'm seeing. But let's see. Let's say if they hold that break, but that's 15 seconds. Like, it's just nothing. The financials were doing very bad yesterday. Where's my... Oh, Jesus Christ. What happened to AMD? Another Meta AI deal. I mean, come on, dude. Meta AI deal, bullish formation, liquidity. Okay. It is a deal. We'll just call it a deal. Rejecting from the previous supply over here at 22.5. Everyone hit the like button. Yes, yes, yes. Not bad, not bad. You guys also make sure to join Discord. The link is in the description box. We can delete that range actually. The link is in the description box under this video. You can join completely for free. You can use one of the links, either Bluffin or Bitunix. Bluffin is my top preferred exchange. And then there is Bitunix, and Bitunix actually have some deposit bonuses right now for you guys if you're interested. Oh, and also VIP 3, which means cheaper fees. In case you want. Uh, 905. I think I'm gonna go in small size here, see what happens. Let's see on the news front, anything else? Silver, silver, silver. Yeah, silver's heading for the liquidity right now. It's just pretty clear to me. I just hope that gold doesn't dump with it. Let's see, Bitcoin. Nothing, dude. This is just so horrible. After the bearish break out of this consolidation here, I'm not very happy with it to look for trades, to be fair. I was looking at the RSI earlier if we had something, but obviously there is nothing. Nothing still yet. I mean, it would be nice if we can get some bullish divergence, but there isn't anything, so not yet. Maybe if we grab that low and we see something, then potentially, but otherwise not a good idea. What are you guys trading today? I don't like this reaction here. Oh, well, we're breaking high. That's okay. So far, so good. Yeah, so the thing is, usually what I'd expect if we had like such an expansion in Asia and then into London, we continue to consolidate, then you would expect for New York to manipulate. So I'd treat this move as manipulation and maybe they trigger it in the opposite direction. But if they do it, they should do it like right about now. Right about now, around this time. Because gold trading hours are a little bit different. They start a little bit earlier, around 8:20. So they dumped it with that. So let's see if New York is gonna bring it back now. Hello, Ivan Chu. Ivan Chu. Oh, you're trading the French. I don't trade that index, to be honest. The most I've done in Europe is like DAX, FTSE. Volatility disappeared. I guess they're going to be waiting for the bulls to join. Yeah, that's what I'm expecting. At least bring it back to true day open, like around 5,100. That'll be great. But very weak right now. Long-term targets for gold and silver. Honestly, long-term targets for gold and silver. So do I have the analysis on one of these charts here? Probably not. So yeah, for me, this is you know, a massive super cycle that we're seeing right now on in terms of commodities, gold and silver particularly. We haven't had a silver above $50 for like very, very long time. Many years this asset was extremely compressed, and now we're just like going nuts on it. So if we are to consider this pullback, right, as like, if we treat it as you know, the pullback that it is down here. First target 157, then we can look at, you know, 215. Like, these extensions can be reached in terms of standard deviation from the lows. In terms of standard deviation from the lows, considering like only in a case scenario that this is you know, that this is the low, you could, if you manage to bring this one up, maybe a pullback at around 129, target 142 up to 155. This is kind of extension, so that's like standard deviation from the low. So we could see $200, 207. We can start exhausting, because that would be like too extended. If we're more conservative, around 150. That's not too high term from now, though. So gold continues to dump heavily. I don't like it. That probably means they're gonna bring it back all the way down to this demand. I just went in like 0.01, so I'm in drawdown like $25. Like, it's nothing, it's fine. We'll see if they hold the demand here. That's what's important. It's just like really catching a falling knife at the moment. So I don't really want to do anything more. $640 4 hour. Look at this 4 hourly. Like, this is crazy. Someone is screwing up the markets again. Yeah, the markets are pretty screwed, to be fair. Like there's no two ways about it. Let's get back some of the indicators because I feel blind without them. Nine out 10. This should be it, dude. This should be it. But we're not getting like a nicely, we're not getting nicely closes here at all. I like this area. There's a locked seller down here. There's lots of demand here. Higher time frame wicks. We just opened the new 15-minute candle. Good morning. Yeah, it's looking very rough at the moment. To be fair, let's look at crypto real quick. Yeah, it's holding, kind of. Let's see if it's going to continue to hold. Let's see what the indexes are doing. Groups today, basic materials yesterday was the top performer. Today, what are we doing? Oh yeah, we still have time. We haven't opened the markets. Yes, Ivan is in the course. I love that. Yeah, so I asked you guys, like, do you want me to make like a monthly subscription, something that's more affordable for you guys instead of like a one-off lifetime, which I think is pretty awesome deal, to be honest. I thought you guys are gonna love that, but I guess everyone's poor at the moment. Not holding anything, Chad. We're not holding anything. I'm so pissed. $20. I'm gonna close that for a $20 loss. God damn it. Weakness, my friends. Silver almost at liquidity levels as well. This is also important, like to watch both of them, you know, because you might want to buy gold, but you see that silver still has more space to the downside. This is actually not a bad buy spot for silver. I'm not gonna lie, down here at around 84.5. Oh, 84.5. Chad, what a drop. That's crazy. Too early. I think the stream is a little bit too early for me because now I just unnecessarily get in positions that I don't need to. It's a bit too early yet. It seems like the volume is kind of slowing down. Oh, XRP's in the gutter. In the gutter. Someone said to me earlier, yeah, we might get opportunities. And I'm like, dude, this is not February 2022. Do you know what I mean? The market is so different right now. So different. This was actually a crazy level sell yesterday. I think we discussed it on Discord with the member. Previous inflection point here. We created the high, then we dropped down, we screwed around, and before we made the new lows, we kind of confirmed that level over here. So that was where price retraced and started selling. So it is a dangerous level, you know, it is a dangerous level for sure. Oh, you're gonna do it now? Really? I can wait for you. We're getting screwed. Give us... Come back a little bit. Yeah. Not a bad level. Prediction markets, yeah. I agree, dude. That's crazy. Prediction markets is where it's at the moment, really. So... Bring it back, bring it back. Bring it back. See, when they want to reverse it, they're just like doing it so fast. If you lose your focus for like literally 1 second, it's done. What platforms? I mean, they're probably using Kalshi or Polymarket, I guess. Guys, make sure to like this video if you haven't. Check in the description box. I'll show you where all the data. If you want to get my indicators, make sure to come down. Oh, by the way, I think we're just few subs away from like 3,000 subs. So this is the Discord link, free Discord. This is my range model theory, and these are the indicators which you get 30 days for free. And these are all the exchanges and stuff that you can use to get your VIP on Discord. This is annoying. They're not gonna let me get an entry here. Come on, give an entry. See you. Have fun at work. They could have at least SFP it, but they didn't. We're just like literally tapping into demand and that's it. So annoying. I guess I'm just gonna have to like go a very small size, because if they like do it like yesterday, which it just kind of went on. No, maybe we have the retrace here. Oh, AI prediction trading bots. That's something I didn't know exists. So I don't know. Let's see. I wanted them to bring it a little bit lower, retest this breakdown here in this area. But let's see. Open clot. What is that? I don't know, to be honest. I haven't really tapped that much into the prediction markets yet. There's too much been going on here, so. $9.20, come on, US. Bring the strength. Bring the strength. No, there one is so-called OLAS. Oh, is that an AI like bot making thing, or what is it? Yeah, so it's pretty nasty that the financials are not participating in this at all, because that means we're screwed. And volatility was pretty high up yesterday as well. You bought gold yesterday, down 28%. It's not funny. It's not funny. Let's see if buyers are going to protect here. Come on, come on, come on. Yeah. That's not good. That you're down. Still rejecting quite substantially though, not good. It is a pre-made platform with several different bots. You can stake tokens to give it USDT and it trades on Polymarket and Kalshi for you. But like, how does it work? Like, you need to remember I'm a little bit retarded, so you have to explain to me like you're explaining to a 5-year-old. So if I want to bet on something, the bot's gonna do it for me, like a crypto trading bot or something. Olas. Where is the volume, dude? 2 minutes. Volume should come in. 2 minutes. Yes, M713. Sorry, 7731. Yes, everyone, like and subscribe. Thank you, Stanimir, for doing the heavy lifting on asking everyone to do that. Now let's observe if the buyers have made up their mind. Seems like they might have. Let's see. Well, it uses the algos to determine what to bet on. You don't get to choose. No way. So you're just kind of like trusting that this thing is gonna like work out, or what? If this hold, this could be good. We could reverse here. I'd love to see that. But please show some strength for the love of God. Yes. One more minute. Here we go. Bluffin, up to 100 USDT awaits. Thank you, Bluffin. And here we go. Volume is back. Thank you, Wall Street, for entering the chat. Yes, Wall Street, please. Pump it, pump it. Yes, yes. Pump it, pump it, pump it. Thank you, Wall Street. Thank you so much. Okay, good. Actually, I'm such a ridiculous small size in this, it doesn't even matter. But it's okay, it was too risky. No, please do not reject. Do not reject at 1 to 2 because I can't even take partials. Hi, Kun. All the way past yesterday's high. Let's go. Yes. Wall Street, come on, dude. You know you want to pump it. Ignore that supply. Just ignore it. You do you. You do you, babe. No. Stop it. Oh yeah, I was wondering what the hell is that. That's the silver limit I placed. Yep, you get to see on the dashboard. Come on, dude. Do not no, 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 no. If we lose that, I'm gonna take partial, so I don't care. I can't even. I have to close it. No, no, no. God damn it. This low needs to beat this high. That's what needs to happen. If we don't do that, we're screwed. Because the low is going to be targeted. You know you want to reverse. It is your time to reverse. New York, don't play games with me. Perfect demand over here, like this wick down here. Come on, don't screw it up. Bearishly reacting, I don't like this. Come on, push it, push it, push it. Minus 26. You got it, Philip, you got it. Come on. Oh. Joel with his shorts. What were you short? S&P? Oh yeah, good. Very good. I love it. Liquidity grabbed. Areas disrespected. Next take profit area, I guess around 6819 if I was in, but I'm not. I just took the scalp here. Long, and that's it. Come on. You know you want to explode it to the upside. Oh, dude, I'm so bored. I forgot how boring 1 minute time frame trading is, really. Because you kind of just have to sit and wait. But that's good. So I've got like good positioning here, but very small size. So honestly, I don't really care. Find someone who looks at you the way you look at the gold chart. That's so funny. Oh my god. You know you want to explode it. Come on. No. Hi, Mark Bassi. Welcome, everyone. Make sure to like the video. Thank you for coming here at the US Open. We are waiting for gold to reverse. But unfortunately, supply is having different plans right now. It's a good area to react though, like, come on. Beat it, beat it. Yes, you can do it. I don't want to create like a sell wall over here because I hate that. I honestly hate that. Okay, here we go. Send it. Send. Oh, I forgot. I can't close partials. I'm stuck in this buy. Let's see where silver is reacting from. Oh, not good, not good. Just above liquidity. Oof. That's probably a sell here. Damn it. I'm closing that. I don't care. No, I'm not. No, I'm not, because I can't do partials. I keep forgetting. Hello! Hi, Beta Trader. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Make sure to like the video. So for anyone that's on Bitunix here, you guys are gonna get your rewards this week. We're distributing to all the winners that we said. The first 20 traders are getting a total of $2,000 distributed, depending on the volume. Yeah, I know. I just have like 2 bright lights in my face. Like, I'm not used to trading with those bright lights in my face. But that's fine. All good. Pump it. Pump it. Pump our bags, please. Bags of paper gold. Not bad. So anyone that was waiting for a further retrace down here, they didn't get it. We can, oh yeah, good, good, good. We closed above the high. Here's the body close with this candle. Let's see what Twitter is tweeting. I love how everyone in crypto now is also in stocks. It's hilarious. I mean, I wasn't watching any crypto influencers like back in 2022 or whatever. Actually, I was, but like not that many, you know? I'm reaching out to take partials again. I keep forgetting I can't do it. I wish I was size here because we knew what was gonna happen. We knew. Well, GG. At least we caught that's another good trade in between all the mini ridiculous scalps that I took. Oh, NAS is also reversing here from a really good level, actually. I wasn't watching that, but this is not bad. Down here at a level of extreme, this is exactly the things we teach in the RTM model theory. You guys, in the description box, everyone, make sure to check the link for the RTM model theory, okay? And the indicators, you get them 30 days for free. Like, you have no excuse not to try them, okay? If you're not on the indicators, I don't know what you're doing. They're very helpful. Like, even if you're like, oh no, I want to trade my own system, well, okay, trade it, but at least see the liquidity on the indicators. It's very helpful. New York, New York. Oops, that's not a very great level. That's a short scalp level, actually, up here. A short scalping level. The reason I'm looking at this level, very simple. This reaction here. The breakdown, so this is kind of where the sell happened earlier. Not earlier, but during Asia session. It was kind of like a similar thing. But let's see. This is, 1 minute time frame. Beat it, yes. Do not sell. All right, so I guess I'm just gonna write that for now. What else can we look at? Let's see if Bitcoin still managed. Yeah, good job. Was it the 5-minute level we were looking at? Yeah, here. This was it. You wanted to protect that 62,888 to grab at least that liquidity, which you've done now. So these are all scalping ideas, honestly. Like, I have no idea if Bitcoin is going to reverse here or not. If we had a stab to the lows like that, but after that, before that, we actually ran it up a little bit more, and then we stabbed like that, I'd be happy to participate in a long, but not with whatever's happening over here. For a scalp, maybe with the stab down here, you have your level of support, and then you have the liquidity to chase, maybe on freaking 150x, because otherwise you're not gonna make anything. But yes, gold, thank you. Pay us a little bit. Why not? Why not? Why not? I think am I risk-free actually on this trade? Hold on. I should be, just in case. Just in case we get some great news and everyone out of a sudden decides to just go risk on and sell all their gold to buy Bitcoin and XRP. I think that's quite impossible at the moment, but yeah. I think I want to hold at least to 5,150. I think that will be good. 5,150. And then I just disappear with the wind. Let's see if we get that, because this is, an area that price could reject. But for a 1 minute, move is not bad at all. Yeah, I mean, if Bitcoin drops, it's not the end of the world. Like, we just need to, if you're short, great. If you're not short, like me, which I'm not short, that's also fine. You just need to be a little bit more patient and look for like ideal entries. Is what I do every day. Like today, for example, it wasn't the day that I wanted to particularly long Bitcoin. That's why I gave you the update that I did on Discord saying that I am expecting a retrace, but I don't want to buy it. I want to be positioned better. Yesterday, I had a good positioning on Ethereum. It was a sniper positioning. So in these kind of markets, I want to get in the lows so then I can protect my position fast, right? That's what I want to do. I want to protect my position fast. So, are we going to reject here? Quite possible. Yeah, you have to wait. Like, you have no other, because in markets like this, you can lose everything, like really a lot of money. And then by the time the markets get better, you have nothing left, which we kind of experienced, but I'd say it was on a different level. I'd say it was definitely on a different level. But yeah, I'm happy with this mini long over here. Let's see if we can grab some more profits. I guess I'm just gonna let it run for a little bit. USD dominance dropping a little bit. Had some liquidity to clear. Oh, imagine. Yeah, I mean, honestly, like I can see it retracing at this point, at least on a lower time frame. I can see it retracing, but yeah. This low might grab the high, dude. It might do it. Oops. Did it start to reject here? Yeah, it did. I'm gonna close that in that case. Okay, good. That's done. And I think that's it. I didn't have any partials to leave here anyway, so I'm not going to do that. But gold and silver erase gains amid ongoing AI speculation, losing 1.1 trillion of market cap in 12 hours. Yeah, it's nothing for the traditional markets. So, I mean, it seems a lot for crypto, but I get it. I mean, the SaaS has lost so much. It's insane. Softwares. If BTC cannot overcome the 63.6 resistance on the 5-minute and hold above, we will drop further. Okay, that's quite final from your side. 63.6. Resistance. Yeah, I like the level. They need to buy, yeah, they need to, buyers need to definitely run that level over for sure. It's a level of resistance. And gold is just going to continue its grind, I guess. A little bit of retrace, nothing crazy. But that's fine, I'm not in that anymore. Wednesday. Nvidia earnings is on Wednesday. I can tell you exactly what time. Yeah, so it's gonna be after. Oh, good. After the bell on Wednesday. So we have a little bit of time, I guess, to see how that develops. Same thing, we're pretty much V-shaping everything on the lower time frame right now. But yeah, the head and shoulders thing that we were talking about earlier and protecting the neck is pretty much what they did with Nvidia several times. So you know, Nvidia is always surpassing earnings, so everyone has obviously very high expectations for it. You know, everyone has very good expectations for it. Copper is similar, actually. It also looks strong at this point. Meta is planning a stablecoin comeback in the late 2026 by integrating existing stablecoins like USDC for payments on Instagram and WhatsApp. Meta is like announcement after announcement after announcement, like literally every day, dude. Every day. Okay, I'm happy with this. It seems like the market's losing a little bit of strength. This was probably the move for up until like 10 something, but I don't feel like staying another half an hour here. Quite happy with today. And we'll see tomorrow. Maybe we start the stream instead of 5:30 at 6. So we're just gonna test like different times to see what works better, you guys. But thank you so much for being here. Make sure to like the video. If you have time, leave a comment below after we finish. If you don't have time, don't do it. And I'll see you guys tomorrow, right? For the live stream, and come on Discord. This time is ideal. Yeah, it's not bad. It's not bad. Thank you guys. You too. Cheers. Have a great time. Thank you.